Welcome. We're going to do a flight plan here and do something different to it. And it's a 12-minute flight plan. I got 97% in the battery. So let's just see what happens here. I have, which one do I have? 1, 2, 3. 3. Load. And it should be 12 and a half minutes. So let's just go and see where it's going to go. Around there. Okay? Let's see what happens. Off it goes. And it's going, turning. And should be good landing too. So I programmed it. We're just going to look at this for a second. I programmed it. We're going to point it down a bit. There we go. It's going to go around the whole subdivision. Up a wee bit. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn off the controller. Okay? It's going on its thing. I'm going to turn off the controller. I'm going to be really dumb and turn off the controller. I'm scared to do this. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's just doing 1080p. It's doing 1080p at 60. So let's see what happens here. I shouldn't be receiving a signal now because I'm facing the garage and it's someplace else right now. So let's see where we're at. Yeah, see where it is? Poor Wi-Fi. It's cutting off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect it. I've disconnected it and I'm going to wait. And we're just going to see what happens. So it should take 10 minutes to go around. So in about 10 minutes I'm going to start the controller up again just to see where it is. Unless it comes home, because it could come home. I'm hoping that it's set that it continues, which I think it does. If I've got these set right. Let me just see. Oh, let's start the interface here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're just checking the presets. Sport. Mode. Bank, no. Presets interface. Satellite with controller. Safety. Geofence off. 50 meters high. Camera. That's not it. So let's go into these guys and we're going to automatic progressive. Land on last waypoint. No. And I think I've got it going continue. So we're just going to see what happens. We can't do anything. We have to wait. So that's it. So I made a flight plan around the subdivision with that visor last night. And as you can see, it's turned off. I mean, there's no connection. There's no connection to anything. I can take this out of the controller. I can shut the controller off. Controller's shut off. I have no idea where it is. I'm just hoping that in about 10 minutes it's going to come back to me. If not, I've lost an Anafi, which I have no idea where it's going to be. But I sent it up 65 meters. I believe it's 65 meters. Let's have a look. Flight plan. And it's up. Here it comes. It's coming back. Don't know why. I'll have to check that. What happened? Maybe it was low on. That's weird. I have to check that, see what happened. It shouldn't have. It's coming right down here. but it came home. So does that mean it was low on battery? No, 72%. So why did it halfway through? Why did it